When Jesus was hung on the cross, he said, "Woman, behold your son." And he said to John the Beloved, "Son, here is your mother." I'm going to talk to you about the motherhood of the Blessed Mother Mary. Why is it that Jesus said, "Woman," instead of mother? Wala ba siyang respeto sa kanyang nanay? No. If you try to understand theology, you will learn that Jesus Christ is the second Adam and he must have a woman. Just like the first Adam. Nung pinatulog siya ni Lord, kinuha ni Lord ang kanyang rib. Pagkatapos, God molded. Nung siya nagising, nakita niya ang babae at sabi ni Adam sa babae, "From now on, I will call you woman because you came from my rib." Since Jesus is the second Adam, he must have a woman, the second Eve, which is the Blessed Mother Mary, full of grace, while the first Eve was disgraced. The second Eve is full of grace. Kaya tinawag niyang babae. Hindi yan dahil wala siyang galang, kundi i-acknowledge siya sa buong sanlibutan na ang kanyang ina ay ang pangalawang iba na nagdulot ng kagandahan sa buhay natin at kaligtasan dahil sa kanyang yes. At pagkatapos, sabi niya, "Son, here is your mother." If we are a follower of Jesus Christ, we should call the Blessed Mother Mary Mother. Kaya tayo lang mga Katoliko ang nagsambit Mama. Thank you so much. God bless us.